Good morning. We are going to be talking about, or going through 5.1, 5.2 review worksheets. So 1 through 6, you have to list all pairs of each type of angle. So vertical angles are across a vertex. So something like this, remember. So we would say angle 2 and angle 4, comma, angle 1 and angle 3. Then we look here, we have angle 6 and angle 9, angle 5 and angle 10, angle 8 and angle 7. Remember, I like to maybe color code these a little so I can see. And if you look at 5 and 10, they both have a yellow and a pink. Yellow and a pink. Some kids mistake like 7 and 9 would be vertical angles, but they're not, because this one has a blue and a pink. This one has a blue and a yellow. So it would be the other blue and the pink, which would be 8. So 7 and 8. Okay, this order does not matter. Angle. I could say angle 7 and angle 8. Complementary. Complementary add up to 90 degrees. So if you look here, this is a straight line. This is 90 degrees, so this has got to be 90 degrees. So this would be angle 5 and angle 8. There are other ones, such as angle 5 and angle 7, but that one is a little harder to see. Or angle 7 and angle 8. That would be a little easier to see, because this has also got to be, this creates a straight line. Again, 6, 7, and 10 create this yellow line. So if this is 90 degrees, these other two have to add up to 90 degrees. Okay, supplementary. Supplementary angles, when added together, equal 180. So they create a straight line. So angle 1 and angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 create this straight line. So this angle plus this angle create that pink line. So angle 1 and angle 4. Angle 4 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3. This one. Okay. Alternate interior. Remember, alternate is opposite. Interior is inside my parallel, inside my parallel lines. So angle 3 and angle 5. If you notice, 4 and 6 would not be, because it's not inside the parallel lines, because we have this extra line here. Okay. Alternate exterior would then be 1 and 10. Go 1 and 10. And again, 8 and 9 make up this whole angle that would be congruent to 2, but that's not what we're, these would not be 8 and 9, we're only going to put 2 angles, and 2 and 8 would not be alternate exterior, and neither would 2 and 9. Okay, find the measure of angle 2 and explain your reasoning. Angle 2 is across a vertex from the given angle. So angle 2 has got to equal 86 degrees also, because vertical angles. Measure 3 then would be 180. It creates this transversal line, so it's 180 minus that 86, which is equal to 94 degrees. In your reasoning, supplementary. Okay, measure 4. 2 and 4 are alternate interior angles. So angle 4 would be the same as angle 2. Angle 2 is 86, so angle 4 would equal 86, because alternate interior angles. Okay, then you could also say, well, 86, or this angle here, and 4 are corresponding. So I could also say angle 4 would be 86. Remember, corresponding angles are congruent. Okay, the measure of angle 6, well, that's going to be a vertical angle to 4. So angle 6 and angle 4 are vertical. So angle 6 is equal to also 86 degrees. Okay, 11 and 12. Remember, if you look here, 7 through 10 are these ones, and you're going to use this, but this one is a different one. So it's saying angle A and angle B are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means that they are equal. So angle A is 4x, and B is 3x plus 7. You see that we're going to set it equal to each other because we were just told that they're equal. In not so many words, just by using the word corresponding angles, and we know that they're equal. So we're going to solve or find the value of x. I need to get x by itself, or take away that 3x from both sides. So I have 4x minus 3x, which is 1x, equals 7. And that's what my goal is, to find what 1x is equal to. Angle G and H are supplementary and congruent. So if G and H are alternate interior angles, what is the measure of each angle? They are congruent and they are supplementary. So meaning G plus H, the angle G plus the angle, the measure of it, is going to equal 180 degrees. Well, if they're congruent, I can put the same letter. So x plus x equals 180. Well, I have an x plus an x, so that's 2x equals 180. I want to divide both sides by 2. X is equal to 90. So my angles, the measure of each angle, is 90 degrees. The next part is our proof. And this is our given information. So given that x or AC is equal to 12. Also given that BC is twice the length of AB. Okay, and then we are to prove BC is equal to 8. Well, if I look, my blue, AC is equal to 12. And the BC is equal to twice the length of AB. Well, that is my given information. So this first one is going to be given. Okay, so over here, this is what we're going to be using. AC, the whole thing from here to here, the whole thing is 12. Okay, now this BC is twice the length of AB. Well, these are unknowns, right? So this would be x. And this is twice the length of that, so it's going to be 2x. Okay, AB plus BC, this plus this is going to equal the whole thing. And they give you that reasoning as that's a line segment addition. AB plus 2AB equals 12. How did I change? What happened from this one to this one? Well, if I look, AB is the same, and BC here, it changes to 2AB here. Well, that's because we substituted right here. BC, we said, is equal to 2AB. So we took and replaced or substituted BC, or 2AB, in for AC. We changed it, or substituted it. So substitution is our reasoning. Okay? Now again, AB, this is might be a little easier, 2x. This AB is just an unknown. Okay, this is an x, and this is an x. This might be easier to see. Now 2x plus 2x changes to what? Because we combined like terms. So we combine that to 3x equals 12. Let me go back to this page. This equals 12. So x plus 2x equals 3x. Now, you could also have written AB plus 2AB. Well, an AB plus 2AB. How many ABs do I have? You could also write 3AB. That means this is, again, this is one variable. We're unsure what AB is. So we want to get AB by itself. So what do? We're going to divide everything by 3. So this becomes just AB, and 12 divided, let me rewrite this because I kind of, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that would be, we use division to get there. Okay, BC equals 2 times 4. Well, what are we doing? Why are we going to BC now? Well, we know what AB is, correct? We just found out that it was 3. So BC is equal to 2AB. We're substituting AB into here, what AB is. And that's going to be substitution. And we're just going to multiply and do, now we know that the length of BC has got to be 8. And let's go back and look at here. Can this be 4 and this be 8? And this length, say it's centimeters or inches. If this is 4 inches, would this be 8 inches? And would that satisfy our given information? Well, added together, they equal 12. And this length here is twice this length here.